Our final project is on data and probability, and these are some vocab words you should keep in mind. Mean, the average of the numbers, a calculated central value of a set of numbers. Median, the numbers you are given in value order and find the middle number. Mode, the value that occurs most often. If no number is repeated, then there is no mode. Range, the difference between the largest and smallest values.
Problem number 1 states that the 9 cats in a pet store would weigh. Their weight in pounds are given below. 9,955,75753. Find the mode and the range for the data. First, you're supposed to rearrange them from the least to greatest as shown below. Then you're supposed to find the number that shows up the most, which would be number 5. So the mode is 5. To find the range, you're supposed to subtract the biggest number from the smallest. So the biggest number is 9, and the smallest number is 3. So then you subtract them and it gives you 6. So the range is 6.
For statement 2, it says, the stem and leaf plot below gives the gas mileage in miles per gallon for 21 new cars. Use the leaf and plot to answer the questions that follow. What is the highest gas mileage in the 30s? To find this answer, you go under 3, and the last number would be 9, so it would be 39. How many cars have a gas mileage in the 40s? You go under 4, and you count everything that's on the right. There are 4 numbers, so the answer would be 4. What is the lowest gas mileage overall? You would go to the top, which is 1, and the closest number to the line on the right would be 0, so the answer would be 10. For number 3, you have to find the mean and median for the following numbers. 6, 18, 19, 19, 15, 7, 18, and 19. To find the mean, you add all of the numbers and divide by how many there are. If you add all the numbers, you get 121, and there are 8 numbers, so you divide by 8, and the answer is 15.1. To find the median, you order from the smallest to largest and cross out. So you start at the ends and you work towards the middle. We have 2 18s, you add them and divide them, and the answer is still 18. So the answer for the median is 18.
For number 4, we are given a Venn diagram. We are asked to answer the following questions. A asks, how many members are in the computer club? So we'll take a look at the blue circle and count how many names are in the computer circle. Since there are 7 names here, our answer will be 7. B asks, how many students are in the science club but not in the computer club? It's asking how many students will be in the purple circle but not in the blue circle. So it's only Aldo and Boris, so that would be 2. C asks, how many students are members of both the science club and the computer club? And it means both, so we will be taking a look in the middle. Since there are 4 names, our answer will be 4. Number 5 is also another Venn diagram. We are asked to answer the following questions. A. Select all the clubs that Maya is a member of. We will look for Maya's name, and we see that it is only in the blue circle, which belongs to the science club. So she is only a member of the science club. B. How many students are members of the music club or the science club? Or both. So we'll take a look at the music club and the science club, which is the blue circle and the green circle. We will count all the names inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there is 11 students that are both members of the music club and the science club. C. Which of these students are in the computer club but not in any other club? We'll take a look at the computer circle, which would be the purple circle. You see that John and Dion are the only members, so they would be the only students that are involved in the computer club.
Problem number 6 says that a bag has 8 brown marbles and 8 yellow marbles. Half of the yellow marbles are made of glass. A marble is selected at random from the bag. What is the probability that it is a yellow glass marble? Write your answer as a fraction in simplest form. So in the bag there are 8 brown marbles, 4 yellow marbles, and 4 that are yellow and are made of glass. The total would be 16. So the problem asks us that what is the probability of pulling out from the bag a yellow marble made out of glass? The probability would be 4 out of 16 marbles. But you can also simplify it to be 1/4. So that is your answer. A bag with 10 marbles is shown below. 7 are gray, 1 is black, and 2 are white. A marble is chosen from the bag at random. What are the odds in favor of choosing a gray marble? In this problem, it would end up being a ratio. It would be 7 gray to the 3 remaining marbles, because 7 marbles are gray and the 3 are different color.
For problem number 9, it states, a spinner has 10 equally sized sections, 8 of which are gray and 2 of which are blue. The spinner is spun twice. What is the probability that the first spin lands on gray and the second spin lands on blue? Write your answer as a fraction in simplest form. So the probability for gray marbles are 8 over 10, and for the blue marbles are 2 over 10. In order to solve this, you have to cross-multiply the two fractions. You would get 16 over 100, and you would divide by 4 to put it in the simplest form. So your answer would be 4 over 25. For problem number 10, it states, a bag contains 10 marbles. 4 are green, 4 are red, and 2 are blue. Karen chooses a marble at random and without putting it back chooses another one at random. What is the probability that both marbles she chooses are blue? Write your answer as a fraction in simplest form. So we know that we have 4 green marbles, 4 red marbles, and 2 blue marbles. So the total will be 10. First of all, the probability for the blue marbles would be 2 over 10, and the total would be 10. So the answer would be 2 over 10. But for the second one that was chosen at random, the probability for the blue marbles would be 1 over 9, because you took one blue marble off, so it changes it to 1 marble. So then the total changes to 9 instead of 10. So that is why you get 1 over 9 as a probability for the second blue marble.